As a trader, I know what it takes to become a profitable trader. I know the pain. I know the resources that it takes you to grow as far as this industry is concerned. In this video, I'll be sharing with you exactly how I am about to make this entry using the least lot size. And you can see how far this trade has gone in my favor. So I'll be sharing with you exactly how I do my analysis and how I was able to find this entry that has made me this whole lot of profit, and how I am able to stay in this market. So as a struggling trader, this video is what I recommend for you. Are you struggling with trading to make entry, struggling with being profitable? Then this video is for you. All you need to do, endeavor to watch this video to the end, as I'll be sharing with you every step taken. As you repeat the same process, I know it will be of great help and benefit to you. My name is Sochi and you are welcome to Sochi Forex. If you are coming across this video for the first time, please do well to give this video a like, share, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to get notified when we upload our next video. So let's go straight into the point. There are basically two ways I do my analysis. I try to make things simple and not complicated so that you as a beginner can understand and take advantage of this strategy. First of all, you can do your analysis using the structural point of the market. And looking at this, price is giving us a lower high, lower low, lower high, and a lower low. So what this means basically is that we are in a downtrend, because we say the downtrend is when price is giving us a series of a lower high and a lower low. Now another way, which is my own personal way to simplify how you can identify the trend of this market, is by the use of the middle Bollinger Band. Now this green line is the lower Bollinger Band, while this middle line is the middle Bollinger Band. How do I use this? Anytime price is above the middle Bollinger Band, just as you are seeing, it means you are in an uptrend, and when price is below it, we are in a downtrend. But pay attention to the fact that price move below it alone does not mean we are in a downtrend. I will want to see price pull back to the middle Bollinger Band and give us a rejection in order to validate our trend. And this is exactly what happened here. You can see here price break through it and then price pull back to give us this particular bearish pin bar. So this bearish pin bar rejection established that we are in a downtrend, and you are wondering, this is the setting for the indicator. Bollinger Band, the period is 130, deviation is 2.0, the shift is 0, and you apply it to close. And once you have done that, this is our relative strength index. The period is 9. Just take a screenshot of this and you do the setting on your own. Once that is done, here is the entry for this trade. So this zone becomes my constant level of resistance, and so I mark this zone, and this is how I was able to make this particular entry. So when price left here, price gave us a new lower high. So now this is my lower low and here is my lower high. So when I spot this, the next thing I was looking out for was for price to pull back into this zone. So this particular zone still remain my order block. And immediately I saw that, I went to my H1 time frame. Now this is my H1 time frame. So when price pull back, you can see it here. The price pull back all the way from here and tap into this my order block. So immediately price tap into that zone that I've marked for my H4 time frame. I get these two confirmation. First, that here was a liquidity sweep. This liquidity here was taken by this price movement to the upside. And not that alone, I now got a bearish pin bar from that zone on my H4 zone. So this H1 price tap into it gave me a bearish pin bar. And immediately I spot that bearish pin bar, I realize that this bearish pin bar is a confirmation of a sell signal. So you can see that this particular candle here is a bearish pin bar. So I spot that and I have additional confirmation. This is my divergence. So when I saw this divergence, if you are hearing the word for the first time, there is a video on this channel about divergence. Please go through it. When I spot this divergence and I get this pin bar, I was still patient enough to get more bullish confirmation. And afterward, this bearish candle was formed with this particular follow-up bearish candle. And that is how I make my sell entry from that zone. And I use my CCI for additional confirmation. My CCI crosses below the level of 80 towards the downside. And that is how I was able to make this entry. And in this entry, there are other continuations pattern. If for any reason you have missed the first entry, there are other continuation pattern. And how do we identify this? All you need to do is for you to go to your 15-minute time frame. Here is our first pattern. We'll be looking for a chart pattern. So this chart pattern here gave us an entry validation signal. So when price break out of it here, it becomes our entry to the downside. If you miss that, here is another entry. I have closed this one already, and this in particular is nothing but a bearish flag pattern, which signifies a continuation. And you can see how price break out of it and it continued to the downside. And if you have missed that, here again is another particular bearish flag pattern on our 15-minute time frame. So you can see that, and this is how exactly I was able to make this trade, and I remain in this trade up to this particular point of making this video, despite using the least lot size of 0.01. So you can see how simple this can be and how you can take advantage of it to produce the same result. I believe you have learned something new. Please do not forget to give the video a like, share, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to get notified when upload our next video. Thank you and see you in the subsequent video.